Welcome sa sipnahin.com. In this video ay mag-aaral tayo ng PEMDAS. Yung PEMDAS means parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So ang ibig sabihin ng PEMDAS, ito yung order na gagawin natin pag tayo ay nag-calculate. Although ang gagawin nating examples ay integers, but this also applies to real numbers. So let's start with our first example. Number 1, what is 4 plus 5 times 3? So meron tayong plus or meron tayong addition and meron tayong multiplication. So dito, MDAS, multiplication and addition. Anong nauna? Nauna yung M, no? So unahin muna natin itong multiplication bago tayo mag-add. So this one first, bago itong addition. So hindi muna natin ito gagawin itong 4 plus. So same 4 plus, and then unahin muna natin yung multiplication. So that's 15, and 4 plus 15 equals 19. So kung mapapansin nyo, pag inuna ko to, iba yung magiging sagot niya. Kung inuna ko tong 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5, magiging 9 times 3 is 27. Kaya ba siya dito sa 19? So mali yun, Kasi according to PEMDAS, you have to perform addition first before, multiplication first before addition. So nauna yung multiplication before addition. Number 2, Okay, so we have 6 divided by 3 plus 4, So we have division and addition again. Division and addition, nauna yung division. So we perform this first, So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then plus 4 equals 6, Tama ba tayo? 6 divided by 3 is 2 plus 4 equals 6. Okay, number 3. What is 10 minus 6 divided by 3? So again, anong nauna sa division? Division and subtraction ito, So division and then subtraction. Mauna yung division. Okay? So 10 minus, unahin muna na. Hindi muna natin ito gagalawin, unahin muna natin ito. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So magiging 8 siya, See, 6 divided by 3 is 2. So 10 minus 2 is 8. Number 4. What is 4 times 3 plus negative 6 divided by 2? So magiging equal to multiplication muna, But in this case, kasi may plus tayo sa gitna, pwede natin unahin yung, pwede natin sabayin to, But para hindi kayo malito, unahin muna natin multiplication. So we have multiplication first. So ito lang gagalawin natin as is yung iba, So magiging 4 times 3 is 12. And then plus negative 6 divided by 2, So after nito, ito na, division na, Division and addition, mauna pa rin yung division. Ito muna. So magiging 12 plus, what is negative 6 divided by 2? That is negative 3. Tama? So magiging equal to 12 plus negative 3 is the same as 12 minus 3. So that is equal to 9. Okay, let's start with the fifth example, our last example. what is 5 plus 6 times 3, ano? So, mauna yung, sa MDAS, mauna yung multiplication before addition. Pero meron tayong parenthesis. So, unahin muna natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, ano? Ang PEMDAS, remember, yung grouping natin. So, unahin muna natin itong nasa loob ng parenthesis. This one. So, 5 plus 6 is 11. And then times 3. So, 11 times 3 is 33. Okay? So, siguro may konti kayong idea kung paano na natin gagawin mag-PEMDAS, but in the next video ay gagawin natin yung mas complicated pa, no? Mas marami pang given para mas makita nyo pa yung paggamit ng PEMDAS. Ano? And of course, i-discuss ko rin sa sunod na video yung misconception dito sa MD tsaka sa AS. Ano? Pag magkasunod kasi yung multiplication and division, you perform whichever operation comes first, ano, not necessarily multiplication first before division, ano. So pag magkasunod, but of course, mapapanood nyo yan sa susunod na video, ano. Okay, maraming salamat and see you in the next tutorial.